Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I will like to tell to you and share to you what must-have items or must-have application that you have to consider to having it or install it on your iPhone. So first is a shortcuts. So shortcut will be symbolized with this symbol. I will like to type it first into my app library. So here is the symbol of the shortcuts, and why you have to have this, because these shortcuts can help a bunch actions on your phone. You can also customize your own automation and your own shortcuts with this application, so they could be helping you that much. They could be the automation sections, and you can create an automations by yourself, such as you can create a notification whenever your battery is low. You can also create an automation to turn on the low battery mode whenever your battery level meets into the specific level, and you can also lock the application from this shortcuts. And that's why you need to have this application on your phone. And the next one is the Apple Notes. Well, you have to have this because Apple Notes consists a lot of features that you can use to make your documents look better, or you can also do an advanced work for your documents. So there could be a titles on the top side, and there could be a body on the bottom side right here. And for the option, you can also customize your text by having the title, heading, subheading, body, and so on and so on. You can also adjusting the style of the size to be bold, italic, or underline. You can also create this numeric style, or even adjusting the way how you can place the paragraph will be. And you can also create the checklist button to create a list on your daily basis. You can even get tables if you need it. You can also create a lot of options about the media. You can add a picture, even you can scan the documents with this application. You can create or adding the media by take a live photo or video, or you can also scan the text in every media that you have in a real life. And the next is you can also creating a signature with this application. You can create text, shapes, even a stickers. That's why you need to have this application on your iPhone. The name is an Apple Note. So that's this two application is really matter to have into your iPhone to have your daily basis. Thank you for watching. If you still have some questions, just drop into the comment sections below, and don't forget to turn on the notification section for upcoming tutorials.